Very good morning, children. Welcome back once again. How are you all? Hope all are well, isn't it? Are you safe or not? Yes, very good, children. You have to take care of your health. Take good food. Today we are going to discuss about our food. Already two classes we have discussed regarding that. Let us discuss a few more about the food. So you know very well what happens if you do not take food regularly. We will be very weak. Then what are the uses of food? Food gives us energy. Food makes us healthy and strong. Food help us to grow. These are the 3 points, the uses of food. Then we should take the food 3 times a day. The food which we take in the morning is called as breakfast. That is, we have breakfast in the morning. Then we have lunch in the afternoon. We have discussed what should we take for breakfast, what is the food we should take in the afternoon. Then we have dinner or supper at night. These are the points we have discussed in the previous class. Then next one is, we said that food gives us energy. So what are the food which gives us energy? In which food is energy in full content? So if we take roti, that is chapati, rice, bread, sugar, potato, butter. These are the food items in which energy is more. We get more energy. Okay, children. If we eat chapati, RICE, rice, BREAD, bread, SUGAR, sugar, POTATO, potato, BUTTER, butter. If you take these food items gives us a lot of energy. So if you want to get good energy, you have to take all these food items regularly. Is it okay, children? So if you want energy, you have to take rice, bread, sugar, potato, butter, chapati, etc. Okay. Then, so I will ask you a question. Let me ask children, what are the foods which give us energy? Name 2 or 3 food items which gives us energy. What is your answer? You have to tell rice, roti, bread, sugar, potato, butter gives us energy or energy giving foods. Okay. Then next one is the food which help us to grow. All of us want to grow high, isn't it? You want to be very height in the class. So if you want to grow height, you have to choose, you have to take some food materials which have excess of food growing materials. So here you can see milk, MILK, milk. What is this? CURD, curd. CHEESE, cheese. PULSES, pulses. EGGS, eggs. CHICKEN, chicken. FISH, fish. These are the food items which help us to grow. Of course, daily, morning and night, before going to bed, before coming to school, you have to take a glass of milk. Then daily in the afternoon, you have to eat some curd rice. Okay. Cheese, regularly you should not eat, but now and then you have to use cheese. Okay. Then pulses. Pulses are nothing but different kinds of pulses you are having. Green gram, Bengal gram, red gram. Okay. Peas, beans, all these are different kinds of pulses. They are very good for our health. They help us to grow. Okay, if you eat more, you will grow well. Otherwise, you can't grow. Then, eggs. You can have daily one boiled egg. Boiled egg is better than omelette. So, all of us must have egg, boiled egg, which must be included in our diet. Then this is a chicken and this is fish. It is up to your choice, children. It is not a must for all of you to eat, but those who are eating, they can have it because it is very good for our health. It helps us to grow very well. So eat all these different kinds of food and all must grow well, children. Okay, so we have discussed about energy giving foods and also which food help us to grow well. Now tell three or four food items which help us to grow. Milk, curd, pulses, eggs help us to grow. So in this way you have to read the question and also tell the answer. Then, what are these children? Wow, very interesting, isn't it? Here it is a bowl. The bowl is filled with fruits. In the next bowl, you can see the bowl is filled with different vegetables, isn't it? Here you can see carrots, drumsticks, cucumber, curd, spinach, all that you can see. These are the different vegetables and these are the different fruits: apple, orange, grapes, pineapple, banana, isn't it? Strawberries. So all must have every day one fruit. Okay, then you have to make practice of eating all the vegetables. In the previous class I said you should not cry or you should not say I won't eat this, I will not eat that. You must eat everything because fruits and vegetables helps us to stay healthy. If you want to be healthy, you must eat all different types of fruits and also vegetables. If you eat all the fruits and vegetables, always you will be healthy. No disease will attack you. You will not be attacked by stomach ache, no headache, no fever, no vomitings, no going to doctor. So if you don't want to go to doctor, you must be healthy, isn't it? So if you want to be healthy, you must take all the fruits and vegetables. If you take all the fruits and vegetables, you will be very healthy. If you are healthy, you are not allowed or you should not go to doctor. No need of tablets, no need of injections. So if you want to avoid that, you must eat all fruits and vegetables. So will you eat all the fruits and vegetables, children? Yes, you must eat all the fruits and vegetables. So for today's class, we have discussed three topics, that is energy giving foods: rice, chapati, bread, sugar, potato, butter. They give us energy. Next, which food help us to grow? Milk, curd, cheese, pulses, eggs, chicken, fish. They help us to grow. Then next one is fruits and vegetables help us to stay healthy. So daily only three points I am telling children. You have to remember all the 3 points properly. Okay. So read all these. If you are having textbook, you can read from the textbook also. So remember all these points. I am going to send few words. Learn and write those words. Okay, children. Once again, thank you and read well, stay healthy.